Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to pause watch history on YouTube. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube History. Currently, YouTube History is turned on. That means both search and watch history is turned on. Under Subsetting, uncheck the box next to Include the YouTube videos that you watch. Now click on Pause. Setting is turned off. Click OK to close the dialog box. That's it. Watch history is turned off. This is how you can pause watch history on YouTube. Thank you for watching.